Search auto suggest. This is hearing from people that they say, as a user, I would like some help, predictive help when I'm searching. And we all see this when we use the internet, right? It's kind of the type ahead. We're typing, and if I say, where can I? Man, there are like 5 different sentences already in the drop down that I can select from. So that predictive auto-suggesting of things, and again, based on personalization for me. So the system knows where I am, it knows the region I'm in, it knows the other kinds of things that I've looked at in the knowledge environment, right? So when I'm searching, it's helping me to get smarter and maybe even think about something that I wasn't aware of so that I can get content before I have an issue.
Yeah, and for a while, before there was a merger and a budget issue, we had Smart Logic from Semaphore. And someone I'm going to mention in a little while, I believe has it at his company as well. And it does that, and it's really cool. And we really got used to it, and then it went away, so I won't go there. But it also did auto classification, which is really, really wonderful. If you can have a tool that does that, I would highly recommend it. It still needs the user intervention sometimes because it doesn't always look properly into the document, or maybe the document can sort of seem to be about something else, but it can take you leaps and bounds ahead in terms of findability.
Yeah. So uploading a file and letting the machine read through it, letting the machine propose tags, right? Human intervention is somebody refining that, maybe adding synonyms to it, some things unique to just your company that you might also want to put in there, right? But not trying to manually have a full taxonomy tree that you have to maintain, but more of a living classification system because the machine's getting smarter as new documents are uploaded into it. Right?
Yeah, and in our case, we actually did have a 9,000 word taxonomy, but they worked together fairly well, and I still wish for those old halcyon days, but we can move on.
So a bot to retrieve content, our mantra around our discussion board says search first, then ask. And the reason is you're going to get a faster response, right? Because your answer might already be sitting there because somebody had a similar question a month ago and you didn't know it. So before somebody asks a duplicate question, we say go and search. Well, our users are saying, as a user, I want to be able to search and have a bot help me out, right? So I search like you think of a chat bot, like we all see when we go to a shopping site, right? The little thing is sitting there saying, how can I help you? You click on it and you can search with that. Not only will it retrieve content, you can rate how useful it was. So the bot can say, here's what I found on product EC215A. Was this helpful, right? So the bot is getting smarter and refining its results based on user and crowdsourced responses in terms of how you rate it.